Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I going to show you how to make Khanom Tokyo. It is fat pancake filled with the custard cream. Now time for me to make some snack or some sweet or dessert. So I choosing to make Khanom Tokyo. So I try to think about an English name, but I cannot think about how I can call this snack or this dessert. Which is a little fat pancake and we're filling with the custard cream. So it's very delicious and I want to show you how to make this. First, we're going to make our custard filling first. So I'm gonna start with 6 egg yolk. I only gonna use just an egg yolk. Okay, so okay, this is the first one. Look at how cute my eggs separate. It worked. Okay, and now I have all 6 egg yolk. I will save the white egg to use for different recipe. Okay, now 6 egg yolk, and next the sugar. I use the 3/4 cup sugar. Okay, and I have the 2 cup milk. Just put everything together. Okay, and 4 tablespoons condensed milk, sweet condensed milk. 4 tablespoons. Okay, and condensed milk. And next, 4 tablespoons cornstarch. And next, I put salt. A little bit of salt, about 1/4 teaspoon salt. Okay, so go in. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Okay, and everything I'm gonna mix them well together until all the sugar will combine. Okay, now I try to bake all the egg yolk. Okay, and I try to mix them well together until all sugar combine and all the egg yolks mix well. Now I'm gonna strain them to make sure not have any crumb or big egg in here, so I'm just gonna strain them. Okay, here we go. See, and you can see still have like a big pieces of egg. Okay, and now we're gonna start make our custard. I'm gonna do double boil, so I don't need to be the water not need to be super boiled. Only see little bubble, so it's okay now. It's good now. So I'm gonna start to cook our custards. Okay, just mix until the custard is mixed. Just mix until the custard is thick together. So it not take you that long, so you have to keep to stirring them because you not want to cook the egg. You want everything to smooth together. Same thing when you make the condensed sauce, it's similar. So now just gonna keep stirring until they're thicker and thicker and thicker, and we come back and see together again. Okay, and as you can see, take about 5 minutes, and then now my custard start getting a lot thicker. You can see I want a little bit thicker, so I'm just gonna cook another few more minutes for make them a little bit thicker. If you use this custard recipe for something else, you like the consistency like this, for some recipe you can stop right here, but for my Khanom Tokyo I need a little bit thicker, little bit more thicker. Okay, and I think now very much the way that I want it, a little thicker, and I will set it on the side, and when they cool down a little bit, they will be a little bit more thicker when they're cooling down. So I'm gonna turn off the stove and set it on the side, and we're gonna go to the next step. Now I transfer our custard to a different bowl, and I'm gonna set it on the side, and now we can start to make our batter. Okay, now we're gonna start make our batter. For batter, we use 2 cups of the all-purpose flour. Okay. 2 teaspoons baking powder. Okay, and continue mix them all together. Okay, next half cup sugar. Okay, and a little bit of salt, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and next gonna be egg. Two egg. Okay, and next unsalted butter, melted. Okay, and 1/4 cup milk. I put everything together. I'm sorry, I forget. I just saying something wrong. So the milk is 1 cup and 1/4 cup. Okay, so somebody just let me know. Okay, and 2 teaspoons vanilla. Okay, now I'm gonna mix everything together. The batter is similar to the pancake batters. So, and now we're gonna mix everything well combined. If it's too thick, you can add a little bit more milk. Okay, and now a little bit too thick for me, so I'm gonna add a little bit more milk. Just a little bit more. Okay, and then the mix well again. It's similar to pancake, but a little bit thinner than a pancake. Okay, and now my batter, it mixes well together, and the consistency, this is what I'm looking for. And now I'm gonna cover and let the batter rest for 15 to 20 minutes, and we come back for the next step. Okay, now we ready to put everything together. Okay, I have the pancake maker, I have my batter ready, I have my custard filling, and I have a butter. Okay, and some paper towel. Okay, now I'm gonna start to make our Khanom Tokyo. Okay, and I'm gonna start to put a little butter on the paper towel and wipe it around your pancake maker. Okay, and now I'm gonna start making our first one. I have my spoon about this big. Okay, and I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of the pancake batter. Let's go. And now you're gonna have to rolling. Okay, until they're thin, like this. Okay, and keep doing. Big or small is up to you, but you want to make sure they're thin because we're not gonna flip. Okay, and next we're gonna start to putting our custard filling into the middle. You can put a lot, it's up to you. If you go to Thailand, sometimes you will see a different color. So they have like a pandan favorite, they have like a Thai tea favorite. For the custard filling, a lot of flavor. If you like a lot, put a lot. They have so different flavor. Now I'm gonna start to rolling. When you're seeing all the bubble and all the batter start getting boiled, that means your Khanom Tokyo is ready to roll. Okay. Here you go. Okay, the third one. Okay. Okay, and now we're gonna move to the plate, and I'm gonna finish all the batter. Okay. Okay, now I'm done making our Khanom Tokyo. I'm finished with the custard filling, but I still have a little bit batter left. And look at that, how beautiful our little sweet dessert or snack. And they also not only have the sweet kind, like I just saying before earlier, not just a pandan filling, they have one with not sweet. If you tried it in Thailand before, you will know they have a little hot dog, they have little egg inside too sometimes. I finished with the 35 of the Khanom Tokyo, and now actually I already eat a lot, but now I'm ready to eat another one. Okay, I'm gonna start now. They're cooling off, so it will be easy. I know when you cook it, they look so good, but be careful if you want to eat it. Sometimes it's come off it, it's very hot. Okay, and now we're gonna bite it. I love the custard filling. They're sweet and so smooth. I can eat 10 of them by myself. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.